Green Smart Shirts Limited, GSSL, is one of the leading woven manufacturers and exporters in Bangladesh, located in Mauna, Gazipur, which is 1.5-hour drive from the Dhaka International Airport. Being a part of PDS Group, GSSL's product profile consists of men's formal and party shirts, casual shirts, hooded shirts, ladies' shirts, blouses, tops, children's uniform, sleepwears, outerwears, uniforms and much more. At GSSL, we offer a work sanctuary of 200,000 square feet with a production capacity exceeding 800,000 pieces per month through a highly skilled workforce of 3,000 people that are all part of GSSL family. Their proven passion, desire and the commitment continuously pushes the envelope of manufacturing excellence, producing finest garments to exceed the demanding expectations of our most astute customers. Our capacity to reach around 50 production lines spreading over 8 acres of land, we visualize to be the most regarded and preferred manufacturer globally and reaching $50 million sales by the year 2021. GSSL, being a proposed LEED Platinum Green facility, achieves 35% savings in energy consumption and 40% savings in water consumption. In GSSL, a motivated industrial engineering team is there to constantly innovate solutions for lean manufacturing, reorder level inventory and seamless supply chain management. We are also utilizing the robust technologies such as the SAP, whilst our entire production planning is being done by GSD and FR. We comply with ILO, local labour laws and customers code. GSSL is Accord certified for structural, electrical and fire safety. Thus, we recognize and maintain a zero-tolerance compliance standard. Our manufacturing process starts with stored raw materials sourced from a strong global sourcing base, PDS Trading Shanghai. GSSL's routine inspection, segregation and shrinkage sections enable relevant departments to ensure 100% quality of all raw materials. A well-equipped design centre consisting of top-quality British and Bangladeshi designers are tirelessly working with next-generation technologies and latest machines to produce the finest quality garments. The rich design facilities are GSSL's strength in manufacturing proficiencies, enabling us to now become a complete end-to-end fashion solution partner. High-tech laser-enabled plotter machine under CAD section helps the company with marking and to produce error-free and precise drawing and design. Cutting and CAD rooms are powered by both auto and manual systems such as the Gerber, Lectra and Eastman technology. Fusing collars and cuffs, we use Kanigaiser, Martin, Hashima, Nissin and Nagai Shing machines. To better monitor, our facilities include a finishing line every after 5 production lines and a quality control system after each line. We ensure best quality machineries for prospective section, whilst our most preferred brand is Juki for sewing lines and Vate for finishing lines. Top quality hybrid chilling system is there, controlling work floor temperature and humidity to ensure comfort in the production floor. The company possesses its own 1.5 megawatt power generation capacity, the latest high-tech Fulton boiler, fully automated fire hydrant system, approved by the Accord and Alliance as well as the Bangladesh government. Special concentration and importance are given on enhancing soft skills, technical skills and awareness of our workforce. We empower our employees with the right opportunities to grow in their professional and personal lives, promoting local talents, training and equipping them the right way through our in-house and dedicated training centre. Colleagues are also enjoying our progressive benefit package, which includes insurance, medical support, transport, fully equipped on-site medical centre with full-time doctor and children daycare centre. Our 90-to-10 ratios within workforce focusing on women meant that we are not only world-class in our product and processes, we are establishing a benchmark in women empowerment. GSSL is an active partner in upholding Bangladesh's leadership as an ethical sourcing and manufacturing destination. We strongly and actively promote women empowerment, embedding human rights and labor standards. Each and every employee here has their own bank account, debit card, and their wages is being credited to their bank account. As we move forward to the next year of our journey, we are ready to pursue our vision to be the most regarded and preferred apparel manufacturer in the world. Welcome to GSSL.